Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Let's see what the market has done this week. On a Monday, we had a strong bullish candle here. This bullish candle has entered into downtrend channel here, which is visible with the downtrend channel support line. The end of the day has closed right on the previous candle's lows, which was also an obstacle when the price has moved down in the bearish sentiment. On the next day, we had a small bullish candle, but that small bullish candle also ended the day on this support level for the previous candles, which is also visible when the price has moved down, in this case when it stopped right here. You can see this, it is the same area that the price had also support and now resistance. On Wednesday, the price reached the first resistance area, which is 1.13094, but it had a wick above, which meant the price has moved up and then returned down. But the day has closed also here on the previous support area where the price had stopped when it moved down. So we have these levels acting as a support when the price has moved down, and now this week when the price has moved up. So also on a Thursday we had a strong bullish candle, and the bullish candle had a wick below, which means the price has moved up, make a breakout and then move down, and then after that had found a really strong support which pushed the price above the downtrend channel resistance line. The price on Thursday has ended right here on the previous candle's high, which has prevented the price closing above this level. So this means here we have a strong selling pressure, which means this is the supply zone of the market. On Friday we had price moving a little bit up above 1.14748 resistance line, and then the price returning back down. It is also a Friday when traders are moving out from the market to cash out this profit. So what we can make a conclusion, this week we had a really strong bullish move. The market has completely overtaken the previous price range, which was indecision for the price, then also a small bullish breakout to the upside, and the week before a small bearish breakout on the downside. So as a final conclusion, we can say that the market has completely in the bullish mode right now. So this is a really huge shift in the market. The next week, what I'm expecting is if the price will return down, it will be around this level, because this level is a confluence of support right now. And also on the upper side, we have a strong resistance line at 1.14748, which held the price previously and prevented the price moving up. If the price closes on a Monday here above, then the next resistance line will be at 1.15462 here. But to completely change the bias into bullish mode, and where we can say the bulls have completely shifted the market into bullish mode, is above this level. Why? Because if you take a look here previously, we can see the market has stopped the price from falling down. So this means the bulls are here at this level. So if the price manages to close above this level, that will mean the bulls will have even more strength to push the price above. And the first level, that is a strong resistance level, is 1.16187. If you take a look in the past, we will see this price 1.16187 has held the price from falling down several times. So this means the price has a strong support here from the bulls. So we can expect to next week the same scenario if the price reaches this level. What we can see in the past is this area is this area between 1.14748 and 1.15462 is an area where the price did not find any support or resistance. So we can expect, if the price manages to close the day above this level, this will be a free area where the price should not find any resistance until it reaches here. This is the level where the price had a resistance in previous attempts when the bulls have attempted to move up. Look here, when the price has gone down, then it had here a support and resistance. But for the bulls, when the price tried to move up, this was the resistance level where the price has stopped. But when the price go down and then returning back up, this is the level where the price had a resistance and where the price has stopped. And then when the price go down again, then reverses back up, what we can see here, it was also a resistance for the price when the price has moved from down to the upside. So we can expect the same scenario for the price when moving up here, the price will find a resistance here. This is also a start of the supply area where the sellers are located. This area is mostly used for the bears. For example, when the bears will move down, they will find a great support at this level and the price will have hard time to break below. So this area for the bulls will not present any kind of strong obstacle, a resistance to move up. So for the first step for the price is to close above this level. And this is the crucial level. What you can see here, the previous bullish attempt to close above did not had enough strength. So we can say here are the sellers that are preventing the price moving up, and if the bulls are strong to close the price above this level, then this will mean this zone is broken and we can expect the price to move higher. On the downside, if the price manages to close below this level, 1.14000, then we can say the price is again in the price range like we had previous here. But I am not expecting this will happen because of these strong moves and strong candles, which represents the bull's strength. So I am expecting the price can reverse only here and then find support to move upside. The support is here because of this confluence of support, and what you can see here, when the price has gone down from this level 2 weeks ago, the price has stopped here, and there was indecision candle which represented the price cannot find any bears or bulls because the bears and bulls had equal strength, so we can expect here the same scenario. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!